KS Liquidy Spit, really, which is a blue, blah, blah, blah. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, a new day, new Tumbler project. Okay, if you watch Sandy over on Sandy's Organized Chaos, you will probably recognize the methodology I'm going to use because she did it recently in one of her videos that she called the White Honey Tumbler. And I thought that was so cool. I absolutely loved it. I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna do the black version. So she did white with some light gold, and I am doing black with some silver. But otherwise, it's basically the same thing. So if you haven't seen her video, I will link to it below. After you're done watching here, you pop over there and watch hers. And if you have seen it, then you will probably recognize what I'm doing. I'm going to be using Liquidy Split fast set resin. So I'm going to be working very quickly. I'm going to mix up 40 milliliters of fast set resin, and I'm going to split off a couple little cups of it. And in the main cup, I am going to add Black Night from Woody's Goodies. This is a black shimmer mica, because I want the shimmer. And then over here in these two little cups, I'm going to mix Science Project from Fran's Glitter and More, which is a beautiful black hollow chunky. And I'm also going to be mixing Silver Surfer, gorgeous sparkly silver mica from Island Micas and More. And then I'm going to be putting it on the cup. I'll bring you back when it's time for the decal, but right now, just sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, this is beautiful and flat and ready to receive some vinyl. I am going dark with this, clearly. So I'm thinking, you know, a little dark, a little Halloween, a little goth. And after searching all of my graphics, which takes longer and longer all the time because I can't seem to stop buying things off Etsy, I decided to put this beautiful Mandala bat. This is Dollar Tree vinyl, which is not vinyl at all. It's actually Dollar Tree paper. It comes in a roll. It looks like vinyl. It's in their craft section. Whole bunch of colors, but they had silver glitter and they had gold glitter, and I wanted to try those out. They are more like a paper than a vinyl, and as a result, you need to cut them on a different setting. I had success using the washi tape setting. Just keep that in mind if you try this stuff, if you can find it. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. Wow. I love the cup. Honestly, just like this. Leave it. It's gorgeous. I love the silver glitter. Yay, Dollar Tree. I am thrilled. I am thrilled with how this looks. I'm going to put another layer of resin on it. It will be Chaos Liquid Stone Ultra UV epoxy resin. Put it over the whole thing. Next time you see this, it should be done and out in the sunshine. So stay tuned.